Hey guys! So I just wanted to give a quick shout out today and tell you guys that today was my first day at school, and also there is currently a bug in my room, and so if you hear anything from that bug, it's not my fault. So actually it was kind of easy today. We had one real lesson, I think it's called. We had math for 40 minutes and we chose that ourselves, so we didn't have to come to school before 9 tomorrow. So yeah, so that's great actually. I didn't mind having math. And yeah, I was gonna give a shout out. The girl I'm gonna give it to is XXLPSLoverXX. She has a deer as a profile picture, which is really cute. And I think you should go follow her because she makes funny videos and she's very kind. So just go to her channel. I'm gonna link it in the description if I remember that. And yeah. Also, I might record some other videos right now because my friends are too boring. They are too tired after the first day of school, so they don't want to do anything. And I'm pretty alone, and she is 10 to 1 in the afternoon or something. So, videos it is! Say bye!